Hey folks, Jesse here with the Larkin Group, Keller Williams Realty in St. George, Utah, with this month's update for the St. George real estate market. So last month, I'm going to pull out my handy dandy chart here so you can see what I'm going through. Last month, our average sales price was $346,616. That's actually down a little bit from the month before. Now that doesn't mean our market's crashing or falling. That just means that the average over the last 30 days was that. So last month it was in the 350 range. This month it was a little bit lower. I would imagine as the spring market gears up, we'll see that number go back up. Days on market, I'm really loving this number because it's back down to 75, so that's good. That means we're selling homes a little bit faster than we were over the holiday season. Months of inventory is 3.9. That number's up a little bit, and that makes a lot of sense because over the last 3 months, we've seen January, February, or December, January, February, we see a lot more homes hit the market. December, not so much, but January, February, and March, we'll see almost double the homes hit the market than the rest of the year. So the months of inventory are 3.9. That doesn't scare me a lot because for the months of January and February, we see a lot more homes hit the market for the home show and gearing up for the spring market. So that numbers we're going to see rise a little bit. So we'll just keep an eye on over the next few months and make sure that the home sales are keeping up with it. If they don't, then that market will see that rise even more. Closing ratio, so 52% of the homes in the last 30 days have actually sold. 48% are failing to sell. And that does make a lot of sense. When you have more homes hit the market, it takes some time for that number to catch up. So we're going to see that number go up. So we'll see what happens in the spring as it starts to gear up, because we're going into March, April, May, and June are our busiest times. So let's see what that number says. It also means this number is typical. 30 to 50% of homes that hit the market will fail to sell for whatever reason. So what that means for sellers is you've really got to pay attention to all the details and make sure that you're attracting the buyers when you put your home on the market, because you don't want to be in that category. We want to get you to the 52% homes that are selling. Interest rates have actually stayed flat over the last 30 days. They've went up and down, but they're back to right about where they were 30 days ago at 4.5 for FHA and 4.75 for a conventional loan. And that's where it starts, like say, for perfect credit. But hey, I hope this helps. We're in a pretty good, strong market here in Southern Utah for this 2019 selling season. If you'd like to talk about selling your home or would like to see if you could get what you want for your home if you were to sell, give us a call at 435-619-9415. We're always happy to help and ask any questions you might have. Or you can also go to DixieHomeValue.com if you just want to get a quick, easy estimate on your home that's totally automated. Anyway, thanks a lot. This is Jesse with the Larkin Group, Keller Williams Realty, saying we know this town.